Hello, hello. Hello everybody, this is Faye Cochran. I am going to show you how to export and import birth data from the Kepler program. This is how to make a backup. Get ready with your memory stick so that we can get this done. Okay, so you can follow me. Alright, so my memory stick, the letter assigned to my memory stick is drive E. So, or I'm sorry, it's drive D. Okay, so I took note of that, and then now we can proceed. Okay, what we do is we click on birth file. There are two ways to make a backup. It's a backup or export. If you have already been using the Kepler program on a different computer and you want to transfer the birth data from a different computer, the best way is to do an export-import birth data, because if you do a backup birth data, the previous names that you have already entered into this new computer will be wiped out. So this is how you do it. Okay, click on birth file from here and click on export birth data, and then click on do not add quote marks and commas, and click on my data only. And then as you can see, it's showing it after where it's gonna go. Then you click on OK, and then you enter the drive letter assigned to your memory stick. In my case, as we checked earlier, it's drive D. And then, so basically what I did is just highlighted the letter, because if it's not highlighted, it will not let you type it in. So it has to be highlighted, and I put D in here, and you click on OK, and then you click on OK again. Depending on how many data you have on your Kepler program, this may take a little while. Okay, so let's wait. It's now making a backup. Now let's click on OK. I did not have much on this program, so it was quicker. So let's click on OK. And now it's saying that it's going to be copied. The names.txt will now be copied to drive D. Okay, so now let's click on OK. And then it's confirmed that it has been copied. Okay, now that is done. Now we're assuming that the names.txt is in drive D. Okay, so check that out on your computer, and then bring that memory stick onto the new computer, and then insert it in. Take note of the drive letter assigned to that memory stick on that new computer, and then do this. On your new computer, click on birth file, click on import birth data, and then click on import birth data again. Okay, and then we will click on Sirius, Kepler, or Pegasus names.txt. In my case here, again, my memory stick is still drive D, so while it's highlighted in here, I'll put drive D in here, and my data only is selected, and we click on OK. And then we just answer no to that, and we click on OK. And then there's no names imported because I used the same computer to import it in. So in your case, it's gonna get imported, and it may take a little while. Okay, all right, I hope you are having a wonderful time, and I hope this video is very useful to you. You can send us an email or any questions at all if you need more help. And send us an email. Let me know what tutorial you want to see. Okay, thank you very much. Take care, and then have a wonderful time, day or night, whenever you are watching this video. You take care now. Bye.